Hi guys, it's Ken Yu here. Today I'm at 50 Olivedale Road in Madeley. With me is beautiful Salome.
Hi Kenny.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Good, good. And Salome, you built the house years ago, so tell us a bit about your home.
Kenny, yes, my husband and I built this house when I was expecting our first child.
Wow.
So I remember, I have very good memories of moving into the house with her crawling around on the floor.
How wonderful.
And she's grown up and her sister's grown up here, so we have good memories.
Oh, excellent, yeah. So what's the purpose of you selling, Salome?
We have an opportunity to move over east.
Wonderful.
Yes, a good opportunity for my husband's career,
Yes.
so we're moving over east. So
Wow.
we're sad to move out. And
Wow. Well, how nice is that for a change, hey?
yes, yes.
Yeah, so let's take a tour around the house.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's go.
Our house is a 4-bed, 2-bath, theatre plus study home. The main bedroom is huge and features a walk-in robe and a modern ensuite. The open living area is well appointed with dining and family area. Kitchen with lots of cupboard space, which I love, and stainless steel cooking appliances. The home theatre is my husband's favourite spot. He watches lots of movies and sports here, but sometimes I like to just be by myself here and read my favourite novel. We spend most of our time outdoors on the large alfresco and the grass area where the kids can run around, and we host lots of barbecues with our families and friends. The 3 children's bedrooms are tucked away at the rear of the property and all have built-in robes and is serviced by a modern family bathroom. The study is just at the right place as I work from home, and from here I can keep an eye on the kids at the same time.
Thanks, Salome, for taking the time to show us your beautiful home.
You're very welcome, Kenny. Thank you. I think this house will make the family very happy.
Oh, that's so nice, yes. And viewers, you have heard from Salome, the property owner. If you have any questions or would like to book in an appointment, feel free to call or text us on 04 2270 2345. Thank you very much.